Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. We made it all the way to Friday. Oh my goodness gracious. If you're here with me either in the YouTube chat or in the Discord, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Good morning, Ailita. Good to see you. Good morning, Rake It In. Futures trading today. Alina, Jim and Stuff, Marine, O'Keefe, Sharmads. Good morning, futures trading today. Bucky Bills, Ganesh, Shadow Hunter, Shady Lady. Good morning, Cyrus, Josh. Good to see you. Zeiss, hey, welcome. Can we give a warm Clubhouse welcome here to Zeiss, new member here in the Clubhouse. I think Zeiss was one of our contest winners here. Oh, here we go. Echo's gone. Thank you. Thank you for pointing that out. Appreciate that. Good morning, Rhett. Good morning, Sharmad, Zone Scalper. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Silent NW. Good morning to you. Hopefully that echo is gone now. Good morning, Beast King. Wise Banana, good to see you. Ms. Dupois, good to see you as well. Look at all these folks we have in here. Good morning to everybody. P. Balders, C. Dio Leo, ooh, nice name. Woo, I like that name. Dejan, Charles, Yael, Saracusa, Nico, Futures Trading, William Stocks, Brian O'Donnell, TR, Carl Jones, Amateur Genius, Neil, Matt K, Top Mechanic. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Mick Rod. Mansoir, good morning, Not Serious Studio, McNasty, Dan Brook, Vinter, Paul, National, Forex, Curtis, Yael, Tommy G. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Anybody have any trades on this morning? You know it is PPI Friday, by the way, and it is Mopex Friday. Posted that on my Twitter if you missed it. It's Depu? Okay, Mrs. Depu. I thought it was Dupois. I like Dupois. It sounds fancier. Sorry about that. I crack myself up sometimes. Dr. VJ, HV, Joseph, Johan, Johan, NQ, Shelly, Brooklyn 2Fit. Good to see you. Good morning, Raymond, CCCC, Neil, I Am What I Am, Ashley Depu, we'll say it the right way this time, Giovanni, Kenny, Alex P, Colton, Atai, Caprice, Tony, There by Air, Phoenix Trading, Elsa, Jerry Golden, Martin, just was there, Light, good morning, everyone. Maricel, Siler, W Trader, What the Forex, Brody, Rafal, good morning, King Savant, good morning, good morning. What business news site do I like best? This is the one I always link in chat here. There you go. Trading Economics, that's the one. Good morning from your French-Canadian friend in Montreal. Good to see you, Michelle or Mikel. Good morning, Hoop. Good morning, Scott, bro. Good morning, everybody. See what these comments were on my Twitter post here. Driss says, please trade carefully. Turbo Life says it's going to be a bloodbath. GB62 says, I think the price will ease to 50.35. By the way, this is the post. I mean, if you want to leave a comment on here, just talking about what do you think you're going to see in the S&P today? Gary thinks it's going to be all-time highs here. Good morning, Lieutenant Kojak. Good morning, Pat. Good morning, good morning. Can somebody help Woody out in here? One of our mods, perhaps. Can they help Woody out? Woody can't hear. I think it's probably has the wrong sound settings. Hey, Ribs, can you make a video of how to read and use Bookmap? Yeah, we have a webinar in Clubhouse right now about it, but I'm also working on another one, how to read Momentum in Bookmap. That's one that's going to be coming out. But also check out the Bookmap's YouTube channel. They have some stuff that's in there as well. Good morning, Driss. Good to see you. Forcing my teenagers to watch? There you go. Very, very nice. Use a couple different don't love anything. Gotcha. What time frame is my chart? This one right here. It's 30 seconds, just so you can see executions. This one over here, that's a 3 minute. Let's drop it to a 15 minute. There we go. Yeah, we are launching here, by the way. Things are on the up and up. This was the overnight session was right here, dipped down to our level of 918 and a quarter. And boom, it went off. Yesterday, I was trading on, a little bit of power. I caught a couple pops into the close there for a couple bucks, but then I took this trade here where we had this reflex off the VWAP 850 reflex, and took that to the long side in 3 XFA accounts. I ended up making $4,200 on my XFA accounts yesterday, which was really, really nice. That was fun. It was nice because I had 2 back-to-back max loss days in my Top Step Live funded account. So my focus is going to be on XFAs for now until I earn the right to trade on my live account again. Because, trading out of the pocket, nobody wants to be doing that, right? Good morning, Steven Stewart. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Clubhouse here. Can we give him a warm welcome? Broke my red streak yesterday. Since my winners are 2 times my losers, it's easier to recover a few red days. It's all about risk management. Nice work there, David. Way to go. Good for you. I'm all done for today. Made maximum profit in the combine, here for the good company. Nice work, RTR. Give it up. Got some folks killing it already in here. Morning, Rip. How good is being a member of Market Clubhouse? I mean, you're asking the wrong person. I'm pretty biased. I think it's the greatest thing ever. I'm very biased about that. Maybe you want to ask one of the members that's in there. Maybe somebody can chime in. If you're already in Clubhouse, you can sound off in YouTube. It's the worst. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. We'll see. We'll get some honest reviews there. Will you trade on Top Step X? Yes, I will. I absolutely will. Keeps it unbearable. Morning, Rips. I happen to be the one who won the top quiz. I'm selling dips. Oh, I love that name. You're my evil twin there. Selling dips. There you go. Oh, I love it. That's funny. Trading my first XFA, trying to get rid of the anxiety. Hopefully I can keep my calm. You know what you can do is you could start out trading it in the micros instead of the minis. That's always a good way to start because it's $2 a point, right? Any idea how Dakota did overnight? I mean, the market launched. Does anybody know if he's long or short? Maybe he's in here. Can you please remove the bubbles from the stream? 80% of the viewers don't understand it. We cannot see the time frame you're in. No, I'm not going to do that. Sorry. Ribs, I can't find more information about you multiple monitor setup. I'm interested if I need a dedicated graphics card, so I'm thinking about a PC with 4 monitors. I have an RTX 4090. I really want that 5090 to come out, but I don't think it's going to come out this year because, the RTX 4090 is amazing, but maybe the 4090 Ti will come out this year, but I'm running a 57-inch super ultra wide, a 49-inch super ultra wide, and then another 4K monitor. 4K is at 144 hertz. The 2 super ultra wides are at 120 hertz, but they both support 240 hertz. But it's the display port is only 1.4. We need the better display port, which is going to be coming in the RTX 4090, or 5090 rather. It's not enough power. I want more than the 4090. Dakota shorted the NDK, so he shorted the Nikkei, and he had an NQ trade. Not sure how, if he was long on the NQ, he must have done well, because we rocketed from 918 all the way up to 18,018. So that's a 100-point rally right there. It was a shame. I rolled out of bed this morning. I got some extra sleep. I woke up at 2 this morning. Usually I wake up at 1. I woke up at 2 and I look at my phone. And I go, because I want to hit those overnight 100-point rallies. You're short NQ. Okay. Well, it's Dakota. He stops out. He's very good at risk management. He's very, very good. Which SMAs are you using? I don't use SMAs. I use EMAs. I use the 9, the 20, the 50, and the 200. But you use whatever works for you. I just like the EMAs instead of the SMAs. More power. Which part of the country are you in? I'm on the best coast. The best coast. Usually like trading the London Open. Not usually, but if there's an opportunity, I'll definitely do it. I'm a slacker sleeping until 2. Oh my goodness. I went for an all night long, but somehow my stop got hunted. Where was your stop? Probably below 918 quarters. That's a shame. I'm sorry. Yeah, if we're looking at the Clubhouse levels here, this was your best entry, obviously, on this rejection candle. This is like the best setup. If I'm looking at this, if this is during regular, if I'm up and I see this rejection right at our level like that kind of wick on a 15-minute, oh man, I'm long and strong and I'm probably risking right below point of control. And boy, you're waking up to, some juicy alpha there. My God. Some good stuff. Juicy alpha. Hey, good morning, day trader Rick. What's happening? What's going on? What do you think of the NQ, up or down? Let's do a poll for that eventually. By the way, let's pump up these likes here, folks. So we'll do, I'm going to be on Top Step TV today for Fast Markets, so our time together is going to be limited. Hopefully we can catch some trades together. We'll see. I'm not going to force anything. I'm going to be trading combines this today, and then next week, of course, I'm going to be trading my combines more like their XFAs because there was a request for that not to get so loose and wild. So we're going to be trading our combines more like their XFAs or my live account. So I only want to take good setups, good trades today. We do have PPI that's going to be out here in 17 minutes. And yeah, are we going to be trading Monday? We'll see. I might do a stream. We'll have to see. I do like my days off, and they are limited. Let's see what the next holiday is. Let's see. I see holidays. Let's see. So Friday, March 29th is the next one for Good Friday, and then Monday, I'm probably not going to trade it, to be honest. Monday, February 19th is a holiday. It is Washington's birthday. So I'm probably not going to be streaming that. I do like my days off because they're very few and far between. I mean, in fact, we have... Beyond that, it's what? We have 3, 6, 7 more days of holidays in the market. 7. That's it. 7 holidays. I got to take my holidays, I tell you what. You know what's funny is, never mind. I'm not going to get into it. But anyway, we got some fun holidays coming. Hey, good morning there. Cayman, Brazil trader here. There you go. Is President's Day really a good excuse for a holiday? I'll take it. You know, I stream a lot and I'm working often. So, you know, I'll take it. I think that's good because then I can take a day off without FOMO. There you go. Yeah. Hi, Rips. Do you know if we can use Replicana with Trade of 8 only? No, it works on NinjaTrader as well. I use it on NinjaTrader. By the way, here's a link. It's a lifetime fee. You get 20% off with the link there, with the coupon. I think it's Clubhouse 20. Yeah, Clubhouse 20 is the code. How much can the PPI news affect the market? A whole bunch. Yes. Big amount. Banks will still be open on Monday. Yeah, there's going to be limited trading time, but I don't want to trade in a low liquid environment. And like I said, I want to enjoy my time away from the markets as much as I can. You know, with only 7 more holidays this year, I mean, come on. It's only 1 week of holidays left, and that's including Christmas. That's including Independence Day. I mean, come on. Had a resting order at 909 from the open, just missed for the bottom tick before the rally. Where did it go here? The low was 911.25. I'm sorry. That's so close. Next time, use the Clubhouse level. Use 918 right there. And do it a tick below. Do 918 flat. There you go. Take all the days off that you can. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Where to learn fundamentals? YouTube. Tons of videos out there on anything, right? Moroccan traders give you their greetings. Hey, what's up there? What's your name? Meaty or Mighty? Medi? I don't want to mispronounce your name. What is your Top Step coupon code? I don't actually have a coupon code, but if you tap that link that's at the top of the stream, it's pinned, the pinned message, you'll get the deepest discount there. Have you considered trying Coach Dakota's slow market style of trading? Yeah, of course. You know, I don't just trade momentum. I trade all different types of strategies. Momentum's my bread and butter. Love trading momentum. But yeah, I've traded longer term trades. I put on trades overnight plenty of times and let those trades work. When you trade your own money, you don't have the limitation of, you know, not being able to keep on a trade overnight as long as you have the maintenance margin to support it. I've done that as well. I mean, one of my biggest futures trades was in Bitcoin futures, and that was a multi-day swing and big maintenance margin to hold on that position. That was the most profitable futures trade I've ever had. Have you considered trying? Yeah, I already answered that. Rip, why does my stop loss get hit every time and after the market go back? You know, it's because the market makers are watching you. Obviously, they know when you're sleeping. They know when you're awake. They know when you've been bad or good, so hit those stops for goodness sake. Morning, Rips, would you consider trading a 50K combine with us to give us an idea of stop loss and credible profit amounts? Yeah, I could probably do that on Top Step X. Trade a 50K on Top Step X. Can you check the CL chart, Rips, and tell me what you think was looking for a long? Let's see. Let's bring it up here. Crude, we're in between my levels, so I don't like it. I do not like it. I would only like it if we come down to 76 and 14, spot 14, and then send it. But do we have any inventory today? Any energy inventories? We have nothing for inventories. By the way, so the schedule today, we do have Canadian data out alongside the US data at 8:30. That's the December wholesale sales for Canada. The December foreign securities purchases for Canada. But the big one is going to be the PPI, core PPI for January, the U.S. core PPI. That's out at 8:30. That's going to be alongside the building permits and housing starts, which are going to kind of be the in the shadows, so to speak. And then at 10 a.m., that's the other big print. I'm going to be on Top Step TV trading that. That's going to be the University of Michigan sentiment. So that's a big deal today, and the PPI is a big deal. Barkin should have started speaking about 17 minutes ago. I'm not getting any squawks about it right now. Nothing. Just checking right now. Yeah, nothing. Crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, nothing from Barkin. Anybody hearing Barkin bark away here? I'm not getting anything on my end. Weird. He was supposed to be speaking at 8. I don't know why maybe he said I'm not going to comment on economic policy. I'm just looking. My volume turned up here. Can we get a t-shirt update? Yeah, those are, so I think I found the supplier we're going to go with. And I think we'll do that limited run starting next week. And we'll have both male and female shirts. I think I would just want to do t-shirts for this first run. And then see how it goes. See how those, I just don't want to have do like a whole bunch of stuff. If it goes really, really well, we'll do it. But yeah, I want to keep the cost as low as possible on these things so that, if you like the designs, that it's easy to get, right? So that's what I'm looking to do here. So next week is what I think for those. Next week should be around next week. I got some more samples in, and I think I found the best supplier. Still going with that NQ retro design. Yes, exact same design. It's going to be the exact same designs, but then we're going to have multiple drops. So this first one is that retro design. We're going to have multiple drops. We're going to have, after this one, they're going to be limited. Once they're gone, they're gone. And then, on the next drop, those are going to be limited. And once those are gone, they're gone. And so on. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited about that. Went long on Coinbase before the close last night. Let's see how Coinbase is doing. Earnings were yesterday for Coinbase. Nice. Looks like this is what's crazy about earnings. I used to trade earnings off the print all the time. This little sweep down. You short into that and you get blown out. Ooh, hurts. But look at this. So it went as low as 152 and now it went as spiked as high as 190. The range on earnings is just incredible. Congratulations there. Who was that said that they went long on coin? Yeah, whoever that was. Amazing though. Trading Gems. There you are. Congrats. The other one to watch today is SMCI. Look at this. It's at 1071. There's some small cap traders out there who have no idea what they're talking about, who are just, they trade small caps. They don't have any experience trading large caps, and they don't know how option chains work. And they all think that this thing is going to have a weak spike in the morning, and then it's going to have circuits all the way down. And I can't wait to see this blow them all out at 1400 today. If you look at the options chain, it's at the highest strike is at 1210. The open interest is about 3,000. So if we have some Bill Huang-esque characters that are buying into that move, that would, if there's like 10,000 contracts purchased of the 1210s, which are far out of the money for today's expiry, because these are the monthly expiries. If you have like 10,000 being bought, we're going to see a gamma squeeze today, but it's contingent on that. I don't really want to stray on options, but I just think it's funny you have so many small cap traders that are calling for this thing to fail, because it's like they don't know any other pattern. They all just know like, oh, stock goes up, so must come down. It's just like, no, that's not how that works at all. Rips, are you following the Robbins Cup? No, I couldn't care less. Rips made 20K from December to January, but since blew my account and have been on a horrible losing streak. Any advice? Take a break. Because that's what's top of mind right now. It's take a break. Absolutely take a break, because there's no point. There's no point to have that in your mindset where you're going to be focused on, I need to get this money back. I was up 20K. I was up this. I was up that. Which book should I start with? Mind Over Markets or Markets in Profile? Probably Mind Over Markets, I would say. Mind Over Markets is the one I do. That's the white cover versus the red cover. Markets in Profile, probably second. They're both extraordinary reads. They're both Dalton's teachings. They're amazing. Best source for learning options. Good question. There's a couple books out there. I'll look into that for you, but time and experience it always beats any books that you can read. It's, you have to have a love for it, because it's a lot of numbers. It's a lot of, You have to really like numbers. You have to like a lot of math stuff. So if you're not into that, you're probably not going to enjoy options all that much. Options are very, very risky if you're not using them as a vehicle to hedge. If you're using them as a vehicle to make money, you can let it get away from yourself. So I caution anybody against using options. Stay away from like SPX options specifically. Do you invest in crypto? I haven't for a long time, but I bought a lot of Ethereum when it was $8, $17, 30 something bucks, $60. I was buying it all the way up to like 120. I was back, this is like in 2015, 2016. So yeah, haven't done really much crypto then, except for the Bitcoin futures that I traded on. Understanding Options by Michael Sincere, good beginner book. Thank you for the suggestion there. TR, that's for you, DK. Yeah, if you've never traded options, I mean, it's a leveraged product. Leverage works both ways. You can make a lot of money. I mean, there's a lot of people, amateur options traders that I talk to, and not a lot of them trade options anymore. Put it that way. It's a great way to make a lot of money, but you can lose it just as quick. No crypto trading needed since that. Exactly right. What is the thing on the right? This is called a chart, I believe is a technical term. It's a chart. I'm sorry. I had to go for it. That's Bookmap above me right there. Options are gnarly for sure. Yeah, I mean, if you've never traded options before, you can get whacked. You can get smoked really easily. All right, so let's talk about the PPI here, folks. PPI is going to be out here in 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Sorry, I'm just having fun. It's Friday. I'm gonna crack a couple jokes here. PPI final demand month over month. The expectation is 0.1%. The prior was negative 0.1%. So we have a lot of room to actually make that a nice surprise print. Year over year is at 0.6% versus a 1% prior. So year over year is expected to come in cooler than the prior print. The final demand is going to be looking at a 20 basis points hotter. Okay. 20 basis points hotter. I'm sick as a dog today, but I made it. Thanks for showing up here, Boomer. I hope you feel better soon. Is it possible to prop firms let traders trade options? There's one that reached out to me that wanted me to test their platform, and then they kind of disappeared. So, I can't imagine. You can gain so much in options. I don't know how a prop firm would mitigate themselves against that risk, right? There's no way for them to pad their risk, because you can have, like imagine you're trading SCMI. Maybe if they capped profits, if you're getting over 100%, they cap your gains at 100% per contract or something like that. That's the only way I could see it working. But, if you're trading SMCI leaps at the start of the year, they would have to be paying out hundreds of millions of dollars potentially if somebody got that right, What is your expectation for the market with PPI rips? How does it affect the market? Well, if it came in cooler than expected, it's interesting. If it came in as an outlier print softer, I could see the market rallying. If it comes in hotter, I could see it dropping. But I want to see what happens to the yields, to the yield curve on this. That's what I'm going to be looking at. So we are holding right now in the NQ right around that 994 quarters level, right up here. Print's going to be out in 4 minutes here. I'm not going to trade my XFAs or live on this. I want to just trade a combine. Let's see. Pick a combine, any combine. I got so many right now. I could do that one. Could do that one. Pick a combine, any combine. Let's do, you are the lucky one. All right, we'll do you. You're going to be the lucky winner for me today. Wait, I'm trying to find it now. Got a lot of combines here. Okay, that one. All right. And then that's going to be this one over here. Hold on. I got to go through about a 200. I'm kidding. All right, there we go. Ribs, have you tried Top Step X? Yes, I have, but I haven't tried it since they fixed a lot of their issues, so I'm excited to try it again and stream it. Do you think today is going to make all new all-time highs? I asked that same question on my Twitter, and let's see what people were saying here. Any other responses? Who knows? Grateful for good health and enjoy trading with fun people like yourself. Appreciate your calm approach. 50-90 card will be fun. I like that. Real American guy. Thank you for your response. I mean, I like that. There you go. And Game Changer Revolution says, we are ready for launch. Ready for launch. Do a rocket emoji. There we go. Bang, bang. They fixed your billion lots? Well, hopefully they're paying you out there. For the XFAs you have, you get them from passing or direct XFA from TopStep. I would. Can you imagine? Yeah, they just give me free XFAs. They say, hey, Rips, you want some free cash? Here, just, hey, take it. We don't want it. I pay for all of my combines full price. I pay for all of my XFAs full price. I mean, I don't know why there's this assumption that I somehow get special treatment or something. No, I pay for all of my combines full price. Pay for all of my XFAs. I got to pass them just like everybody else. Hey, here, hold on one second. Let's just, let's see here. Let me write a little email here. Hey, TopStep, I would like to get those free accounts that we talked about. And I will take 24 XFAs. And give me 6 live accounts. And, while we're at it, since I'm getting free stuff, go ahead and send me 250 grand. Thanks, Rips. Sent. Cool. That's a good suggestion. I don't know why I didn't think about that before. That's actually a really good idea. Nutty Bar said influencers get free accounts. Well, I don't think he's the type of person who knows. I don't know why I'm gonna, whatever. Guy's nice, sure, whatever. When I get all these free accounts, I ask for 24 free XFAs. I'm just gonna give them all away on stream. Oh goodness. Oh man. All right, PPI's coming out here. 50 seconds, folks. Good luck, everybody. Let's have some fun. By the way, we're sitting at 0, just so we know. We're sitting at 0 so far. Can you give away t-shirts? Yeah, when we do the t-shirt launch, I'll definitely give away some t-shirts for sure. 100%. Look at this. PPI hasn't even come out yet. The market's already rolling. So let's see if we can get an advantageous print here. Fake typing. That was real. That was a real email. I just sent that. Don't tell anybody. Nice max gain in 50K TopStep X. All right, 10 seconds. Good luck, everybody. 10 seconds. Ooh, little drop. Big drop. 0.3% way hotter than expected. 0.3 higher than expected. Hold on. No trades yet. I'm waiting. I want to be hands-free for this one for a second here. S&P's down at 50.42. Housing starts 1.33 million, so that's actually a good read. Year over year, 0.9%. Oh my gosh. Yikes. That's a hot PPI, folks. Interesting. Can the market somehow spin this positively? No trades yet. $3,300. Nice work there. Still no trades yet for me. I'm watching. Remember, I'm trading this exactly how I trade my XFAs or live, so I'm not jumping into this yet. I want to wait. Nice, Jeff, up $1,100. Let's go. $980 off one contract. Nice. Congrats to anybody who caught that short. Very nice. Look at all this bid support. What is happening down here? Is that the best that we can do to the flush side? 3,500 on a drop. Amazing morning. Nice work, everybody. Look at that. So we are holding 940s for now. Let's see. New York Fed Services Business Activity, negative 7.3 versus negative 9. So a lot of hot prints here. That was supposed to be negative 9.7 that was the prior read, but things are heating up here. 940s are given out. So we have room down to 918 quarters. Let's see what happens if we get down there. Market's still rolling. Nvidia rolling. Apple, wow. Apple really gave up. So the thing that I wanted to talk about, let's wait for this PPI to develop first. The thing I really wanted to talk about was Apple. Look at this, right above 940s again. Looking over at the Mag 7 here. 50, 40 is not giving it. Let's see the S&Ps here. Interesting. A lot of liquidity. Well, not really. Some liquidity at 50-40. Watching the S&P here. 50-40 still holding. I don't know. There's not a lot of activity. I don't see aggressive sell side coming in. 50-40's holding. Somebody sold and somebody caught. That was 800 contracts there. Interesting. Again, they're holding 50-40 here. I might want to try a little bounce here on the NQ as well. Let's see. Maybe a one lot here. Let me try a one lot long. I want to see a reclaim of 940s here. What is my risk down to? 22 halves. I could bring that up to like 25 halves just in case. And S&P was bouncing at 50-40s, so I think this has the potential to hold here. So let's see. Oh, hello. Little knocking on the door there. Yeah, they just 50-40s kind of gave out there in the S&Ps. Nope, it bounced. Never mind. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity resting under 50-40s there. Place limit on both sides. Nice scalp done. Nice work there, Rajesh. Very nice. I like that strategy. So what do we actually have? We have room down in 918s, but we want to see basically 27s holding here. I like my stop at 25 halves. I'm not risking that much. And if 30s don't catch, I mean, we're better off waiting. Apple, a little bit of a bounce. Huge liquidity that we just got through there. Okay, so stopped out. So taking a little loss here. A little bit of a loss. Starting our day down, $244. A little bit of a loss. So 918s are the next area where we want to see, because now we're starting to get some violent sellers coming in. So we're kind of holding right there at 50-40s in the S&Ps. There was some violence in the NQ to get through that, but it was a lot of liquidity. So on the bid, we had a ton of liquidity there. Just looking across the board here. Looks like about 1,000, 1,200 contracts there to get through. Basically about 20 handles of liquidity. So right now, negative delta is 1,600. Nothing too crazy yet here. On that type of print, I would have liked to see more aggression to the sell side, but we've been seeing infinite bids in this market lately. Infinite bids here. So let's see if these 18 quarters start to catch it all, or if we still are going heavy to the sell side here. It's kind of thin here, actually. And are we actually going to give this move back up here? Yeah, so there's still some snappy sellers coming in. NVIDIA is bouncing off the, is this the 20? Let's see. The 20, yeah. NVIDIA bouncing off the 20 here. So this is a big level. We have the point of control down here at the 10s. Sorry, I don't mean to hide that. We have the point of control down here at the 10s. So we do want to see if this liquidity wants to be racked up here at these 10s. So this is where we had a lot of liquidity right here at these 10s. And, I'm not seeing, we had a couple aggressive sell side things, but I'm not seeing a lot of aggression buy side either. It's just kind of, it's just a weak market right now. Both sides are just very, very weak. Nobody's really stepping in just yet. So I'm wondering if we actually have this kind of hold in this consolidatory range here. Not seeing big buy side yet. I'm going to try one more long here if we are perking above these 20s and holding, and then see if we can run this all the way up to 35 or so. So let's see. 5 3/4 I think is a good stop for me as well. I can always bring that up if I wanted to. So trying again another bounce here, since we did sort of bounce almost at the exact point of control, but I want to see strength above these 20s. I'm not seeing any buying strength coming up yet, but I'm also not seeing aggressive sellers. We had a couple, but I haven't seen them yet returning to the tape here. Apple's still a little bit weak. Let's look over at the S&P as well here. Yeah, again, sell side is kind of weak here. All right, cresting above these 25s. Trying another lot here, see if we can get perked above the 30s now. Watching here for this run up through 30s. And then the key is above 41. That's where it really starts to boot, scoot, and rally here. So there we go, right up above 35s. I want to see this clearing right above 41 now. Watching closely here. Little tag up there at 35, some sell side coming in. Watching closely here. Decent bounce in the S&P, but not strong to where I'm aggressively adding yet. So do 30s want to hold here. Seeing some profit taking on the offer. It appears that way to me at least. So I want to see this cresting and above, like I said, above 41 is our trigger to back to the north side here. So let's see if these 30s want to hold or if that aggression is going to come back to the sell side or not. Watching here. Right up towards these 35s. Still no buy side aggression, no sell side aggression. It's just kind of holding this level for now. I want to see this snapping above 33 and 34. Adding for a third lot. Here we go. This 41 could get speedy now. Watching here. 41, I want to peel. Peeling one at 41. So above 41 is our trigger point. Remember that. Yeah, see, rejected at 41, but above that is our trigger. So watching here. Yeah, harsh rejection at 41. I wanted to see that as our trigger point to start to explode to the upside. So I'm glad we took off a lot there. But I would like to see, yeah, we might just go sell side from here. I trim the position, selling one contract. Harsh rejection at 41 because if we blow up at that area, it really starts to run. So I'm glad we peeled at 41, but I don't know if I like the price action from here since we are now below the 30s. Oh, I should be showing this. There we go. So we did cover one contract into the profit there. I'm actually just going to move my stop and let my stop work here. Right. Whoop. Come on, Ninja Trader, don't fail me. There we go. So if we tag this stop out, then we'll get stopped out. All right, let's see if we can get this auction back into the 30s here. So it is a little bit weak. Still bouncing on the S&Ps. Looking for an add above 25. Adding right there for that rip back up towards 30. If we reclaim 30s, we can be strong in this one. Watching here, adding, looking for this rip back up through 41 now. There we go, taking off one right here in the offer. Got one fill into the offer here. They're being extra tricky with this one today, aren't they? Let's see if we can get through this player at 35, or group of players rather. They're really going to make me cover one more here, aren't they? Watching. So we have a resting order just above this price action here. I need a max win. I got to cover one more there on the offer. Is it even going to fill? There we go. Got filled on the offer there. And we'll leave our other order. Actually, I'm going to bring that order off and move my stop up here. So we're just trying to get this to push back up into that 41 level. But we had heavy resistance in that anticipation of that rally up through 40. Nice little scoopy scoop, 12 points long on that bounce. Nice work there, Matt. Very nice. So again, same trigger point. Above 41 is our trigger point for this to explode to the top side. But right now it's just kind of being held back. Pretty weak price action, to be honest with you. Volume's declining. So I'm of the camp where I don't mind kind of getting out of this position and refreshing things. Let's see if we can, yeah, I'm just going to cover that right there. So what does that put us at? Hey, look at that. We're back in the green, 63 bucks. Better than nothing, right? So, you know, about a $300 recovery on that trade there. But yeah, this is exactly how I'd be trading lives or combines, not trying to be too aggressive. Just wanted to see that launch above 41s. Doesn't matter what we want, right? We take what the market gives us. And if we don't get over that, then nothing I can do, right? Ribs, we're outside the weekly profile. Do you think we see more to the upside or we come back to the weekly point of control? Well, there's a lot of liquidity that is kind of resting here at 910s. So, I mean, if we kind of sit around here and transact for a while without breaking, let me see here. Let me see where we actually want to likely see this. I say the lowest we go is around 850. We would have to see some sort of catalyst to bring us lower than 850 today. I mean, if we're the lowest, let me say this. The lowest I think we go in the NQ today is 17,797.75, our Clubhouse level. That's the lowest I think we go, right? SMCI doesn't care. Let's see what SMCI is doing here. Oh, look at that. Still going higher. Hold on. Barkin speaking. I'm hearing multiple squawks, but it sounds like Barkin just said that's not good. Wait. What did he say, though? Okay, hold on. January economic data has been messy, not that good. There you go. That's from Feds Barkin. There you go. Putting this in the Discord here. January economic data has been messy, not that good. Not that good. What does that mean, buddy? Not that good. It's not that good. This guy's a voter. It's barking. That's hilarious. I love sometimes the things that these FOMC voters say. It's just so funny. The data came out, and I just want to say on the record here, not that good. Not that good. I looked at the data this morning. Just want to say, put this on the record, not that good. It's hilarious. This is very official right there, Mr. Thomas Barkin. Am I high? Yeah, I'm high on energy, high on life. High on having good vibes, Johnny Walker. I am blasted on life right now. Hot print, we buy the dip, flush it open, then recover in the second half of the day. I like that, Rhett. I actually do like that a lot. I would expect that we'd flush harder than that. I mean, we're down about 100 points, right? 100-point flushacito. Tweaking on Celsius. Yeah, I'm so high I can hear the heavens. Rips, you have childlike joy and it's infectious. Hey, we're trying to have a good time, right? I try to bring some positive energy. There's just not enough of it in this space. Too many negative Nancys out there. We got to have more fun. Never understand the read between the lines comments. Not that good. Yeah, I mean, it's just funny to me. Like, put that on the record, right? It's just funny. Like, he has the choice of what he has to say, and it's just funny. That's what he comes out with. 15 lot Dolby in the chat. No way. Where are you, Dolby? Hey, there you are. I got to make you a mod so I see you. Good to see you, Nick Dolby. Who else is here from the Top Step family? Anybody? Any other Top Steppers in here? What's that? If you ever come to Coachella Valley, I want to have a drink with you. I'll drink a Celsius with you for sure. Can't believe you trust me that bad. Say what's up to Dolby, everybody. Roy Jenkins, hey, what's up? What's up? So yeah, we're going to be on Top Step TV here in about 30 minutes. I do want to do a giveaway, folks. Do we even get enough likes for the poll, by the way? I mean, if I don't ask for it, we never get it. So please smash that like button for me. We are at right now 320 likes and there's 1,600 people in here. If we can get to 500 likes, we'll do a poll. If we get to 800 likes, I'll give away a free month of Clubhouse. If we get to 900 likes, I'll give away 2. But time is limited. 800 likes, free month of Clubhouse. 900 likes, 2 free months of Clubhouse. Bang, bang. Let's go. We're at 350 right now and there's 450. Look at that. 100 like that. Very, very fast. I love that. Bookmap code right here. Let me send that. Why don't you try to be an introducer in a great show on TV? You have a face, a perfect voice, and the spirit. I do enjoy watching. I'm on Top Step TV, Yusuf. Come check me out there. Hung out with Dakota last night on Slow Markets. How was it, Three Lines? You have fun? Dakota is a beast. Number one trader on all of Top Step right now. See Alpha Power Hour? Yeah. Dolby's going to be on Power Hour today, crushing it. All right, 500 likes. Let's run the poll here. Start the poll. So right now, NQ is up. NQ is basically flat on the day. It's up 0.08%. So NQ is basically flat. Will the NQ end the day up or down? Up, down. No clue. How can we trade with Coach Dakota? He's on the Top Step Discord. He runs a segment called Slow Markets. Is it possible to watch previous slow markets with Dakota? I don't think so. I do not think it is possible. I do not think so. Rips doesn't drink. He laughs at all the people that do. No. I mean, last time there was a trading convention that was out in Las Vegas, and I don't drink, but I've had my share of drinks in Vegas back in my heyday. But yeah, I went out there and met some of my trading buddies out there, and we were out at the Wynn, which is the best hotel in all of Las Vegas. Steve Wynn, legendary. He's a Vegas legend, and I partied with Steve a couple times at XS when it first opened. He was old, but he would he's a guy who likes to party. But anyway, last time I was there, ended up just buying pitcher after pitcher after pitcher of some pool drinks out there. Got all of my trading buddies all liquored up. That's where I find my joy. Getting everybody else liquored up and watching the show that transpires there. How can I join Dakota in Slow Markets? Let me link the Top Step Discord here so you know how to find it. It's right here. I'm not sure what time the schedule is, but yeah. Yes, it's possible he records all of his slow markets. Oh, I didn't know that. There you go. Yeah, S&P is slipping down here. Let's see. Let's have a little look. Let's go to Bookmap here. Get my P&L up. My fantastic $63.84 here. Yeah, ES is coming down a little bit. We were looking for some bid support up at that 50.45 level. It snapped through, or 50.40 level, and then 50.35 level, and it snapped through. So we are bleeding here. Looking at the yield curve here. Apple is bleeding. Google's bleeding. Microsoft, Meta. Meta's been pumping, though. I mean, those share buybacks have been really pumping it up. Got that short 3 lots. Nice work there, Giovanni. Ribs, what's the setting on your volume profile? How long back does it look? This is just for whatever I have in the viewport. Oh, let me show you on my screen here. This is for my viewport right here. This is called the visible range volume profile. Mr. Tuesday Trader, I messaged yesterday about my experience with My Funded Trader. Can you please pass on my experience to your audience? I don't use My Funded Trader. Oh, wait. Yeah. Sorry about that. You DM me. And thank you for the donation. Really appreciate that. Give it up for Mr. Tuesday Trader. I mean, I'm not going to talk bad about any other funding companies, but basically this person who donated messaged me and that they said that they had a really bad experience with another funding company and they just will never use them again, I guess it was the message. If you want to kind of tell your story here in chat, that's fine. But yeah, use Top Step. I love Top Step. That's the only prop firm that I trust with my hard-earned capital. I would say if you're not trading on Top Step, you're running a huge risk. You're running a huge risk. So if you want to share that in chat there, Mr. Tuesday Trader, and let the people know what was your personal experience, I'm sure people would love to hear that. So yes, indeedy. Love the stream. Not a fan of all the ads. What ads? I don't know any ads. I mean, YouTube automatically inserts ads if you don't have YouTube Premium. So I don't know. I don't know if that's what you're talking about. Maybe. I was revenge trading. I put in 15 contracts on sell on NQ. I was lucky it went my way. I made 12K every time I closed and trying to go the opposite direction. It kept going in my direction. Wow. Isn't that crazy? When you're trying to lose money, you can't lose, but when you're trying to win money, all you can do is lose, right? Feels that way sometimes. You still can't be getting ads in 2024. Yeah, YouTube Premium, it's cheap. It's like, I don't know, what is it, like $10 a month or something like that? It's amazing. When is Top Step X released? I think it's next week, maybe, for the public release. So Mr. Tuesday Trader says, I started a combine with my fund futures and passed it to get a funded account. I traded the fund and sim account, built it up to about 3K today. Then later in the day, I was not able to log into my account. Yeah. Tough times. Does Top Step allow copy trading? It does. And this is the copier I use. It's Replicanto. Let's see CL for you CL traders out there. What's going on with crude? Hey, there you go. Went right to our level. How about that? Like magic. Those Clubhouse levels, I tell you, they sure are something. Look at that. How good is this? That is delicious. There you go. 3 50K combines up 1,400 on one, 1K on the others, and 900 on the others. Nice work there, Charles. Let's go. Nice job. Ribs, can we get market Clubhouse levels 1,000 points down and up to? Yeah, sure. No problem. Gotcha. Let me just... Here they come. Is there a monthly fee after passing the eval with Top Step, or is it only the initial setup fee? Yeah, you pay one time. There's no monthly fee on your XFAs. No monthly fee. You pass, it's 1 month, one lifetime fee, and then you never have to pay again. Trade as much as or as little as you want. It's amazing. Best prop firm in the game. Really hope Top Step X launches for real next week. I hesitated initially when they allowed beta users and then did not get selected on Valentine's for 5 times the combines. I'm sorry about that, but in the future, definitely take advantage. If there's any kind of beta test through Top Step for anything, definitely take advantage of it because get those goodies. Yeah, it's Mopex today. Casey Olson says options expiration today. It is Mopex Friday. All monthlies are expiring today, folks. That means we get some heightened volatility, perhaps. So we are at right now, this is 585 likes. If we get it up to, remember, we get it up to, where's my button? There it is, 800. We get it up to 800 likes, we'll give away a free month of Clubhouse here. So that bounce off the point and control that we're talking about, that was quite nice. That 910 bounce. Just wonder if we kind of boot, scoot, and rally from here. Apple bouncing. NVIDIA said, hold my beer, I got this. NVIDIA's almost back up at 740 already. My goodness. Top Step keeps 50% of your profits? Nope, that's not true at all. You're being fed bad information. Yeah, no, they take 10%. They take 10% of your profits. I don't know who's lying to you and saying 50% of your profits. That's crazy town. That would be a huge waste of time. If you blow the XFA, do you get a reset or you go back to combines? You go back to combines. Wait, what? That's not good. Hearing some squawks here. Just some war news. I hate hearing that stuff. I was up 400 this morning, then I got greedy, lost 400, then revenge traded and hit. Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. What's up, Gary? Gary G Money, how you doing? 50% until you get 30 green days? I mean, no, that's not true either. It's not 50%. It's you can withdraw up to 50% of your account balance, right? That's the math ain't math in there, folks. You can make money, withdraw 50%, make some more money, withdraw 50% of that, make more money, withdraw 50% of that. I mean, it's still your money. Ribs, can I borrow about 500? I'll pay you back when I start to win. Please, please. I promise you I'll do my best to win. Yes, send your bank details. I'll get right on that. No problem. In fact, let's forget 500. Make it 50 grand. Come on. Pass my first 100K account. Can't wait to get that first payout. I'll start to feel real. Wow, look at that. Thank you. Trade together. $20. Thank you. Appreciate that. Folks are crazy in here. Amazing. 941 still trigger point? Yes. Still the same trigger point. Above that, pops off like a rocket. Yeah, trade together. Thank you. Appreciate that. What's special about Top Step that you trust them so much? I mean, put it up against any prop firm. I mean, think about it. So Viv asked this question. If you can trade, right? If you can trade, you're essentially getting $4,500 worth of drawdown for $149. If I trade my own money, I have to put $4,500 into an account. So would I rather put $149 into Top Step or $4,500 into an account? It's kind of like that to me is the biggest no-brainer I've ever heard. Of course, it's $149. Like, why would I ever want to risk $4,500 of my own money? I'm only risking $149. I can blow that account, draw down $4,500. I'm out $149. I do it with my own money. I lose $4,500 of my own money. Simple as that. I mean, that right there, I don't even need to give a reason beyond that. There's obviously other reasons, but That right there is the only reason that matters, right? 149 for $4,500. Imagine you go into a bank and you give them a check for 149, they hand you back 4,500 in cash. I'd go to that bank every day. Thanks, Space Ghost. Holy cow, good thing I wasn't in the trade. My computer just crashed. Everything went haywire. Oh my goodness. Rips, I am down 5,000 on my 50K Top Step. I don't know. I've never seen, Top Step X maybe. But yeah, they're having a couple issues there. I understand the concept, agree, but why better than other props? Because other props don't pay out. They have garbage rules. They have intra-position trailing drawdowns. They have scam servers where they don't give you real fills. They won't pay you. They'll ban you from it. If you're not a huge personality and you have no following, they'll never pay you out. There's, I can give you a laundry list of reasons. They'll give you fake fills. They'll say it's your fault. They'll say, oh, well, sorry, we're not responsible for bad fills. Like, I've heard so many horror stories from other prop firms. I've heard zero horror stories from Top Step. Top Step pays you out within 24 hours. I mean, in my experience, I've been paid out within 24 hours. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you want to gamble with, these other prop firms, by all means do it, and then you can learn the hard way. But, I mean, Top Step is just the way to go, straight up. Rips, why do you squeeze those SMCI shorts, man? They hate you now. Keep up the good work, my friend. Much respect for your honest and transparent work. Thank you, Cashbacks. I wish I was trading SMCI, to be honest with you. I'd be long and strong in the 12-10 calls. By the way, we are tooling up towards 41 here. I'd really like to give away a free month of Clubhouse. I'm just watching the likes over here. We are 164 likes away from giving away a free month of Clubhouse here. A lot of prop firms still have daily loss failure in funded and CrapX. You can blow CrapX. You can blow 20K profit in one day. Yeah, that's the other thing. You have maximum daily loss limits in Top Step that protect you from blowing your account in one single day. There's just nothing better. I mean, I've seen them all and nobody even comes close. Is it realistic to get filled with a sell stop placed below the range before that PPI move in a live environment? It's hit or miss, to be honest with you. It's hit or miss. It's sometimes you will get filled, sometimes you won't. It's hit or miss. What do you look for after these huge dumps, then consolidation? I look for moves to the top side. There's that perk above 41, by the way. There it is, the trigger above 41. We're talking about this. You see how much that pops above 41 like that? There's your trigger. Let's see if we have follow through on that trigger point. We're right almost at 9 a.m. here, so we're going to have liquidity injection in about 5 seconds here. Rips, can you reach out to Mick and have him limit my account to only one contract? Is it an XFA? I would just reach out to Top Step support. They'll do it for you. If it's XFA, yeah. Percasito. Not all prop firms are bad, but the majority of them are. And it's like, why waste your time trying others when you know that you already have the best, right? Top Step's the best. Why even bother? It's a waste of your time. Time's valuable. It's one thing you can't buy back. Anyone long? I don't know. Good question. Anybody long here? I'm going to be doing fast markets here in about 20 minutes. So I'm going to be ending the stream in about 15 minutes. Let's see if we can get those likes up, folks. I want to give it away. Give it away now. Look at this rallying. I think we could probably try to scalp this up towards 60 here. Let's see if 45s are giving us some trouble here. I'm going to take a long here. Looking for this to hold above 45. I want to get this action up to 60s. Let's see. Oops. I had that. There you go. See if we can get this price action up to 60. Get a little squeeze here. Could do an ad right around 39 or so. We're there, actually. Let's see if we can get 39s to hold. Get the third one off the bid here. Watching. Little pullback. Adding right there if I get filled on the bid there. And I want to have my stop a little bit tighter. See if we can get this to rally above 45s here. Again, 41's our trigger, so we just use that same trigger point. Watching here above 41. Watching closely. This is right at 9 a.m. too, so we're going to have multiple liquidity injections leading into the open here, so keep that in mind. See if we want to swipe this right at 41. Now we have our stop pretty tight here. A little pullback in the ES. Out of 50% retrace, picture perfect. Nice work, IPS. Very, very nice. Okay, adding for that perk into 41 here. And I want to see if we can flip this up to 45s. Watching. Let's see this send up through 45s now. There's 45. Okay, filled there. Can we get this last fill before we run it? And almost, there's somebody blocking 45. Multiple players up at 45 there. I'm gonna have to move my stop right thusly. Wait for it. They're giving up at 41s again. So we might just have a little scratch trade here. And what are we at now? We made a whopping total of, what's 50 bucks, 60 bucks there on that. Just scalping that little range. There we have it. Big perk, exactly. I wanted to flip out more right at 45. I tried to get that fourth contract down, but there you have it. Knock, knock, says Trader Page. All right. Yeah, so we're going to be wrapping up here pretty soon. I would like to do one giveaway before we go. Can we get there? Are we close? 100 likes away, folks. There's 1,600 of you people watching. 1,600 of you watching, only 700 likes. We only have to get 99 more. Nice. Carl up $1,000 this morning. On a 50K combine, would you trade E-mini or the micros? I would trade micros. I wouldn't mess with the minis to start. I'd be trading the micros. Up 1,200, done for the day. Thank you. Awesome. There you go. You aren't trading into the open? Well, I got to be on fast markets. I'm going to be doing fast markets. I start at 9:25, so we'll have to see. I'll probably be pretty hands off. I was long by accident from last night. Never took off a limit order and it activated 30 minutes ago. Just closed up 550. Holy cow, that was bananas. There you go. Market gods are on your side today. CL carried the bag this morning. Nice work there, Carl. Yes, that is today, Ash. Yes, indeed. I am trading a couple combines on TopStep. I got set up with Tradeovate. I use the Tradeovate copier, but I don't like it. Any other way to get this working in TradingView? Yeah, it's right here. The copy trader. It's Replicanto. That's the one I use. So name of those red bands on my chart, hourly high, hourly low, hourly low. Wrong word. Oh, goodness. Hourly lie and hourly ho. Oh, dear. I had the same issues with Tradeovate copier, and I never had an issue with Replicanto. There you go, Replicanto. All right. We're not going to touch this chat with a 10-foot pole there. I thought it was some kind of volatility bands. No, just hourly high, hourly low. Hunter, I'm not going to say that. I just say one thing, one wrong word, one time. We all just run with it here. We are 35 likes away, folks. 35 likes away. And we have about 4 minutes to rock this giveaway here. Everybody's a comedian in chat today. I love it. Got him. Oh my. Happy Friday, everybody. Love this energy. And we are 14 likes away. 14 likes away. I'm going to get the giveaway tab ready here. I think you folks have doing this. You folks are going to get this popping here. Get this giveaway popping. Keyword. Do 3 times more likely. We'll get that ready to go. We are 7 likes away. Rules are, oh, okay. All right, you did it. 802. There we go. All right, let's do the giveaway. We're going to do This is a good one for today. Well, I hope you'll join me. I want to see everybody doing a Rips raid over at Top Step TV. So let's just do, keyword is going to be Top Step TV. Boom. There you go. Type it in. Top Step TV. Type it in. And you can win a free month of Clubhouse, folks. Free month of Clubhouse. Just type in Top Step TV. Top Step TV. Kojak, you got to do it in YouTube chat. YouTube chat. YouTube chat. And if you need the link to the YouTube chat, here you go. There you have it. All righty, everybody. Good luck. Good luck. Let's get that free month of Clubhouse giveaway popping. Next week, I'm going to give away another free combine here live on the stream. Folks in Discord, we have an exclusive giveaway. We're going to be doing an exclusive giveaway for folks in Discord next week. Super excited about that. But good luck, everybody. Good luck. Just type in Top Step TV just one single time. Oh, by the way, this is what you have to do. I don't know why I forget this detail every time. So right down here where it says live every Monday, Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern, right here, Twitter and Instagram at Selling Rips. You have to follow me on there. If you don't follow me, you can't win. So you have to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter at Selling Rips. One word, Selling Rips. So when the market goes up, what do we do with the market? We sell those rips. What do we do when we want to short the market? We sell those rips at Selling Rips. That's how you find me. At Selling Rips. There you have it. At Selling Rips. That is your hot ticket to win here, folks. It's the hot ticket to win. All right, we'll give this one about 90 more seconds here. 90 more seconds. There's 345 people eligible for the giveaway so far. We are crushing it today, by the way, up 117 whole dollars, Shroot Bucks in our Combine account today. Might trade the XFA, the pack of XFAs on Top Step TV if we have a nice setup. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. If this market's good. I mean, that rejection at the V-wire, at the point of control, 910s, was really, really nice. That was nice. So we'll have to see. Will it continue to be nice? What if we are not on social media? Are we still eligible? There's no way for me to contact you then. So just make a quick account and make sure you're following me. Make an account, lickety split with the quickness. Because we have about 30 more seconds, folks, and then we're drawn because we got to boot, scoot, and boogie over to Top Step TV, which is the keyword, by the way, Top Step TV. There we go. Top Step TV is the keyword, and at Selling Rips is the username to follow me on. So when you win the giveaway, it's very simple. You type in, you say, yay, I've won. You type this in YouTube chat, and you say, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. That's it. That's all you have to do to win the giveaway. Okay, so don't leave us all hanging here and say, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. All right, here we go, folks. Here we go. We're going to be drawn in 5, 4. Well, we got 394. Well, let's wait until we get 300 or 400. 4 more. Just type in Top Step TV. 3 more, and then we'll roll it. We'll roll it as soon as we see 400 here. All right, there we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and roll in. Johnny Zambrano. Johnny Zambrano, you've won. Go ahead and say, my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. Pick one, and I'll message you right away. Congratulations to Johnny Zambrano. And we got to 862 likes, so we're only going to do one. Ho! All right, so what is your Twitter username? Twitter username is this, or Instagram username is this. Talk to me. Come on, Johnny, you can do it. We're going to put 60 seconds on the clock starting now. 60 seconds on the clock. Rips is working for the NSA. That's right. 60 seconds are on the clock here, folks. My name. That doesn't help. You got to type in your full username here. Let's do it the hard way. Everybody who wins, I don't know what it is, but we've only had like 2 winners that could follow the instructions appropriately. Let's see. Johnny Zambrano. Well, the one that I'm looking at doesn't follow me, so 60 seconds are still on the clock here. We're going to call it 40 seconds now. 40 seconds on the clock. If not, we're going to roll it again here, folks. I think we got a troll here, folks. I think we have a troll here. All righty, folks. Here we go. We're going to be rolling here in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Gringo Loco. I love your name. Gringo Loco, you have won the free month of Clubhouse. Free month of Clubhouse here. Type in my username is this. My Instagram username is this. Twitter username is this. Instagram username is this. You are on the clock. 60 seconds, folks. 60 seconds. All right. First part down. Second step is always the hardest one, folks. Don't drop the ball here. Second step is, I know it's the hardest. It's the hardest part. Everybody, roll again. I'll do it right. Come on. All right. 60 seconds are on the clock here. 60 seconds are on the clock. Remember, Instagram username is this. Twitter username is this. It's so hard to follow this. And we're at 30 seconds left. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. They can all do step one, but they can never do step two. All right, 20 seconds. 20 seconds to go. It's crazy. I just don't understand it. I just don't. It's Friday, folks. This is my best part of my Friday right here. I love the commentary too from the chat. My God, how hard could it be? All right, here we go. Rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Brian, you already won. Let's give you another one here. I think you're in here, right? Let me see. Brian. Yes. All right, so you don't even, if you don't claim it, I'm going to give you 60 seconds to claim it. Just say something if you want it. Just say something if you want it. Just say, I won. It's crazy. We've had 2 or 3 people win multiple times. I already sent it. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. We're going to hook you up here. Let's see. And you are set until, you're good to go until March 19th. There you go. Boom, done. And if we got to up to, what are we at here? We're close enough to 900 likes. Let's do one more here. We're going to roll it again here since few people are saying you never win. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rolling. Curtis D, are you here? Curtis D, are you here? And I'm only going to give you 60 seconds to claim this. If you don't claim this, we're all done with giveaways here. Brian has won twice. Won twice. All right, what's your Instagram name? What's your Twitter name? My Twitter name is this. My Instagram name is this. And you don't have to put the @ symbol. Just say my Twitter username is this. My Instagram username is this. Just don't put the @ symbol. Don't put the @ symbol and you're good to go. And we'll give you 30 seconds, starting now. 30 seconds. 30 seconds and... Oh, wait, hold on. Here we go. Boom. All right. Oh, that's on Instagram. All right, let's see. Let's see if you're following me. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Let's see. Dab Body Mods. Yeah, you follow me. Sweet. There you go. Congrats. Free month. Boom. There we go. Congratulations to both Brian and Curtis. Congrats to both of you. Folks, I'm going to go skitter on over into Top Step TV. I hope you'll join me there. The link to the live stream, I'm going to post it right now in chat. Right here. You don't want to miss me over there, folks. Right there, right there. That's where you want to find me. Let's go do a little rips raid over there. Fire it up in the chat and say what's up. I'll see everybody over there. If you're in Discord, don't go anywhere. And I'll see you folks here live on Top Step TV. If I don't see you on Top Step TV, I'll be back here probably on Tuesday. Hope everybody, I can't speak. Hope everybody has a great day. Please trade with discipline. Trade safely out there. And most of all, have a happy Friday. Take care, everybody. I'll see you soon.